been 4 pivotal moments in this business, in the history of this business, and we realised that we were making turntables, but we didn't really know why. At that point, we decided to focus heavily on quality. We said, let's do this well. It allowed us to explain to everybody in our business why we were making turntables, why we do what we do, to understand our purpose. That was the moment in our history that turned our business into being not just an engineering business, but a sustainable enterprise that could last for a long time. So we weren't selling turntables to people, we were actually selling space. Space was a sustainability component.
It's a lot more difficult to go backwards than it is to go forwards, and that's what Turntable allows you to do, is to position that car in the perfect spot to be able to move into that car space every time.
The exciting part for me is Australian Turntables is a great company that has an amazing product. We're able to provide solutions that are solved by simple turntables which provide great benefit to all of our customers, whether it be residential, whether it be commercial. It is just amazing that we're making a difference for those customers.
We live innovation here at Australian Turntable Company. New ideas are being discussed every day, but what it does is it continually makes us look and strive towards being better. What we pride ourselves on is helping our customers come up with the right solution for their project. As
a quality builder, it's important that you actually choose quality products. And this is where Australian Turntables comes in. We know our products are really good quality, and you're going to get what you actually pay for.
Products that we use in our turntables are top quality. We don't sacrifice the quality for cost. It is absolutely 100% the most important thing that we try and put into our products here.
Quality is what we stand behind, and such a great team that we have here at Australian Turntables. When you look at our products, we've got design engineers, we've got mechanical engineers, we've got a lot of great minds behind all of our product.
We're manufacturing here in Australia. That's really important now as ever, which guarantees supply chain. It guarantees a great quality product and something that we deliver across the world.
One of the great aspects of Australian Turntables is the fact that it is a family business. It's just so nice, everyone's friendly, happy, and we've got a great group of workers, and it's just so proud to be part of this company.
You know, inherently we've been innovators. We have always been innovators. We're now being able to take our brand around the world. We have a very strong global mindset. We have this great appreciation of different cultures.